this link that I have it open on my Safari browser, you're gonna have it in the description. So I open the link from the description and you're gonna have this page right here. Press on sign up and earn $25. Okay, after you do so, it's gonna open a tab and I'm gonna show you what to do next. Okay, here on we have a bunch of fields to fill, and first one is first name, the second one is last name. Here it says email address, and here it says re-enter email address, and down here it says date of birth. I'm gonna fast forward the video so it doesn't get boring. I'm just gonna fill in the information and tell you what to do next. Guys, before I start this video, be sure to check out this video on how to earn free PayPal and Amazon gift cards using your phone. It's legit and it's going to be helpful for you guys using your MasterCard account. Okay guys, so I just filled in the information, and just so you know, I'm doing this for my dad, so it's legit. I'm going to be doing this successfully just for your information's sake. Okay, after I filled in the information, I'm just gonna easily press on next. And here I'm going to be choosing the country and the post office or the mail address or home address if you live in the country that depends on. Okay, for the country, obviously I'm going to use Iraq. That's where Kurdistan region is. Down here, if you live in the US or the United Kingdom, you're just going to type in your home address and that will be all. But because I live in Iraq, I will need a post office mail address. And if you don't know what that is, every city in the world has a post office. You can go there and ask to open a post office box. They will open it for you either free or a small amount of money, and then they will give you the information, the post office box number, which I have right here. I'm gonna show you what to do. I'm gonna type in my post office box number. First off, here I'm gonna choose type my city and my country. Okay, and then I'm going to type in the country, and here is important when I'm going to be typing the post office mail address, which is going to be my own box. P stands for, you're going to have to type it like this once you have your address. P.O, P stands for post, and O stands for office, and I'm going to type in dot and then box, and then 266. That's my post office number. Here I'm going to type in the city as well, my city. And here is the postal zip code / zip code. Every city has its own zip code, so be sure to not mistake this one. Mine is 01. And I'm going to link a website which shows you all the zip codes for the cities that people live in case you have problems or issues finding yours. Here I'm going to type in my phone number. Okay, after you do so, you fill out all the information. You're just going to press on next. Okay guys, so here it's going to ask for a password that's going to be created for your MasterCard account. I'm going to type it real quick. And here you're going to choose your security question and then your answer. I'm going to probably hide this for security reasons. Type any answer that you want, it's going to work. But you have to remember it's because it's important. Okay, after you do so, you're going to press on next. Okay guys, so this is important. It's going to ask for your ID number, and you can choose your driver license or passport or national ID. For my case, I'm going to be choosing my passport, and I'm gonna write down the information, and you can choose your own passport or driver license or national ID if you don't have any of those. I'm gonna type in it real quick. Okay, this is the date of the passport creation, and this is the expiration date, which is 2018. Okay, and this is the country of your passport. It's Iraq in my case. Okay, now here we have the alternate shipping address. Sorry, this is for the people who have a legit shipping address. So if your mail address or home address does not work, you can always choose this one, but I'm going to be leaving this because I don't need this and you probably don't need it too. Okay, you have to press on agree on this and agree on this, and also agree on the third one as well, and then you have to press on order. Okay guys, so after you press on order, you're going to be brought here. It says review in process, and they will actually send you an email within 1 day or 2 days saying that your application has been approved and shipping has started, and that means they're going to send the credit card to your address that you put in and it will be delivered.